And Hardik, really well done. You've strung together 2 victories. Happy with the way the team's going?
Absolutely. I think especially the way we bowled today, that was very smart and very spot on, and we stuck to simple, basic plans and figured out that certain deliveries are not easy to hit. And I think credit to the bowlers to sticking that and making sure that we make them play some good shots. And I think that was the game where we were kind of squeezing them.
It was not the typical slam bang wicket which you normally expect at Wankhede, very similar to the one you played against KKR. Was it pretty sticky? That's one of the reasons why every bowler resorted to lots of slower ones?
Yeah, I mean, if you see from the look of it, it felt like it would be a good track, had a nice greenness to the grass as well. But overall, as the couple of overs first when especially Deepak bowled and couple of balls kind of stuck there, we realized that maybe changing the pace and that will be useful on this wicket. And I think as soon as we figured that out, we were backing that, and with the same intent, we are trying to mixing it up as well, because slower balls, even if it's gripping, if you kind of keep doing it again and again, batter can set you up. So I think it was really smart and really smartly executed those Yorkers as well in those middle phase where they were not able to get rhythm.
I think Karan Sharma and him being injured actually put you off the plans, if I may say so. But Will Jack stepped in very nicely.
Oh, absolutely. I think that is the beauty about him. Having 3 facets. He can be a gun fielder. He can bowl those crucial overs, and at the same point of time in his batting, he has so much explosiveness. That is the reason he is part of the team, and we back him. And I'm excited to today it came out for him.
Your thoughts on your own chase in the second innings? Was there any time where you felt maybe we need to put our foot on the accelerator?
I mean, when there were 42 balls, 42 runs, we felt this is a tricky part. You rather take it little, maybe couple of overs, not to get too excited, trying to lose couple of wickets, and then all of a sudden we are in a shambles. So, that point of time, we just realized let's take couple of overs, and in between the boundaries will come. And as soon as the boundaries come, the pressure gets off. And I think that was the reason at the end, we kind of pushed the pedal.
You mentioned at the toss that possibly the win in Delhi reunited or reignited your side. You've got another big game coming up Sunday against another champion side.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be a packed house, we are sure. It's going to be a great game. Just making sure we rest well a couple of days, and on Sunday we see them again.
I think really well done. Thanks for the chat.